And this is my world. So today we got a cool guest coming in for a new build. His name's Justin Kahn. Now a lot of people know Justin Kahn from Twitch. He's the one who created and founded Twitch and then recently sold it, and now he's into a new business called Fractal, which is a platform where they sell NFTs. So the cool thing about this build is he wants to build a car that represents his brand Fractal. What that car is, it's a Model 3 Tesla. Not the coolest car, you know, you kind of look at it, there's a ton of them out here in LA. What can we do to make it different? He's like, we gotta make a Model F. So basically a Tesla Model Fractal. So Justin's almost here, I'm gonna get the car pulled in the shop, go over it with him and come up with some cool ideas. And this is my world. Do you have any ideas or any needs that it needs to have? I mean, I know it's got to represent the brand, right?
The brand, we have this, you know, pink and black color scheme that's like the brand. We also have this, we brought the NFT collection of 100,000 snowflakes that are like kind of these like digital snowflakes. Each one is different. So those could be incorporated.
Okay.
But
yeah.
Like you probably have way better ideas for like what we could turn this into than I do, and I love that. You know. So,
like I thought when we came in, I thought it was going to be we're going to wrap it and then we're going to make the wheels pink or something like that. But that doesn't even start with what they've come up with. I'm so excited to like see it manifested into real life.
Got a fun build for us. So a little bit different from the normal. This is gonna be a build and a car, a vehicle, that's gonna be on the blockchain.
Like an NFT thing?
Like a real car into an NFT.
Whoa.
So we just teamed up with Fractal,
Okay.
which I don't know if you know anything about Fractal,
No.
but
What is
Justin
Fractal?
Kahn owns Fractal. Justin Kahn also created Twitch.
Oh, the platform.
So yeah, so he's a tech superstar. I mean, he's a G. So he's come to us to say, we need to build a Fractal Model F. So
Okay.
he's got a Tesla Model 3. He wants to turn it into a Model F. Go to our meta web. So this is on their platform.
Okay.
I know me and you are still new to this. We're very green in this NFT world, so we're in it. So
Based
the first
on
thing
a
that
Model
comes
3.
to my mind is, remember the body kit we made for Ryan Jr. like almost 2 years ago now?
Oh,
The
yeah,
one we
yeah,
designed
yeah.
and 3D printed but never did it. So what if we took that body kit and actually turned it into a production kit, put it on this car to widen it? The biggest thing he said is when it comes to an event or whatever they're doing, a launch party, he wants to be able to have this thing show up and it to wow the crowd. The Model 3 doesn't really wow the crowd, you know?
Yeah.
So,
But wide body Model 3, bagged.
bagged.
Yeah, well.
Their colors, if you go to the Fractal site, their colors are black and pink. So one of the things Justin did tell me is there's a new NFT they just dropped on their platform, is a snowflake. He was like, hey, maybe can we make it a wheel? I mean, it kind of looks like a wheel, which is why he was thinking maybe we can make a wheel. But just the details in it are, I mean, look at that. It's crazy. So maybe we do a center cap.
Yeah.
But I think naming it a Model F is kind of cool.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna call Vic. So you remember Vic who did the Widebody on the Durango for us at Widebody Kits?
Yeah.
I'm gonna send him your rendering, see if he needs any other assets from you, and have him actually make this kit for us so it can go into production.
Dope.
Because I mean, every time we look for anything Tesla, like nobody really has anything
nobody
that
makes anything.
gives it aggressive stance.
For sure.
So if we're gonna do this, we might as well do it and then offer a kit.
For sure.
So I'm gonna see if Vic's down. If he is, get this thing going, and then he'll build it over there, ship it to us, and then all we have to do is install it.
Perfect.
Hoy tenemos proyecto que va a ser una Tesla Model 3 que vamos a hacer wrapping de color satin black. Vamos a hacer lo que es por dentro y por fuera para que sea un color completo. Y vamos a trabajar en las líneas de color rosado. Vaya todo lo que es alrededor del vidrio y vamos a tirar las líneas de aquí para acá, lo que es en el body.
One of the main pieces of this build is the wide body kit. So about 2 years ago, me and Musa designed a wide body kit for my son Ryan's Tesla. I was like, man, we gotta make something different that really stands out. We need to make it look wide and tough. So we came up with this design. We 3D printed the kit to kind of set it up, put it on the car, see how it's gonna look. A lot of the pieces didn't fit very well. We kind of put it to the side and forgot about it really. And then when this came about, it was like, okay, let's reopen this and really build this kit, get it fitted, get it on this car, and then once it's done, let's sell these. So I met Vic from Widebody Kits. He sent us the kit. I mean, it fit perfect. The client was happy. His work's amazing. So I think he's the perfect guy to call to get this job done for us. We don't have a lot of time, and it's gotta be perfect the first time. Since Vic from Wido lives all the way in Europe, he found a Tesla over there to do a 3D scan on. Then positive molds are made, and the body parts are vacuum molded. After all that, parts are test fitted and then shipped off to us at West Coast Customs.
What's up, people? We've got Tesla boards here, body kit boards. Gonna fit it right for guys from West Coast Customs. Stay tuned.
So the wait is over. The body kit for Justin Khan's Tesla is finally here. We're about to test fit it and see how this bad boy looks. So now that the body kit's here, one of the biggest things on any body kit, anybody that makes it, the fit and finish. You gotta make sure it's perfect. I'm gonna send it over to Ruben and have him do his magic to it.
Esta es la parte del fender y este va a ser el wrapping que vamos a utilizar, que es un carbon fiber, y así va a quedar el resultado final. Estamos cambiando los covers de un Tesla 3. Anteriormente venían blancos y ahora se están haciendo negros. El material negro de esta parte es piel negra y esta parte es un suede negro. So me and Justin talked about a ton of different things on this build, but I do want to come up with something to surprise him. Since this thing's wide, we got to make it low. So we got to airbag this car. I'm going to call Ray over at Air Ride Equipment and have him come work his magic on this so I can really surprise Justin when he comes here and sees it.
This is Ray from Air Ride Equipment, and today we're bagging a Model 3 Tesla that's wide body. You can check this thing out. This thing is one of a kind. The guys have removed the front compartment right now to do all the hoses and wiring that all goes into the front. We also have some one-piece air struts that we're installing as well. Most people say that they drive and ride better than stock. It's a one-piece adjustable air strut made specifically for the Model 3 or Model Ys. We're gonna pair that with an Airlift 3P, dual compressors, and an aluminum black tank.
Ahorita nos vamos a enfocar en la última etapa que sería poner los asientos del interior, ya que el marco ya los terminó de tapizar, entonces vamos a proceder a concluir con esta etapa.
So Ryan came to me with a request. We've got to do a lot of logos for this Fractal car. Since it's all about the branding, we should do as much as possible. So we're getting rid of the Tesla logos on the front and back. We're putting an F in the front, an F in the back, some on the headrest, then doing some really cool wheel caps for the center of the wheels. So for the wheel center caps, we're gonna try something different. Instead of just doing the F like the rest of the car, we're gonna do some of these new snowflakes that Justin told us about when he was here. I guess they have over 1,000 new NFT snowflakes, so we're gonna try burning these in on the center caps and doing something a little new and different with our laser. Looks good. I'm gonna give it to Joanne and get this thing painted.
Today's a big day. The Tesla Model F is done, the NFT is done, and Justin's on his way, so we're about to surprise him. It's awesome because it looks really like the car. Oh, so last time you saw it, it was, what color was it?
Blue.
It was blue, right?
Blue, yeah.
So we added a little feature to it. We didn't really talk about it in any of our sit-downs, but basically, when you pull up to an event, we just hit this little deal right here.
Oh, that's sick. Dude,
so it gives it the stance that it needs.
I love it. I love it. It tinted the front windows. It's great. It looks great. The car is amazing. I love the car. It's super clean, very minimalist. That's my style, so I love it. And the Fractal logo this is amazing.
And I wanted you to check out the center caps. So that, we were talking about trying to make a whole wheel like that, and I was like, well, we can add the little touch there, you know, just to make it. But the details, it's all there.
I love it. I love it.
You love it?
Great.
Okay, cool.
It's great. Fucking awesome.
Everybody that's seen it is, because this body, nobody has this body kit.
Yeah.
So this is like a one of one. Nobody's seen it. Everybody's got a Tesla. They all look the same. Now this one really stands out.
Dude, I love it. It's awesome. We just partnered with you guys to drop the Neverland NFT collection. Fractal is an NFT marketplace and infrastructure for Web3 games. So we help companies build games that enable the players to own their assets and trade their assets, and All right, so you guys loaded our NFT of the Model F here. So here it is, and it links to this cupcake, the Fractal Model F Tesla, as the NFT of it, which is cool. Yeah, there it is.
Wow.
Amazing.
So no matter where this car sits, someone can scan it.
Someone can scan it and see the NFT of it.
Nice, I love it.
They know it's legit.
Yeah.
All right.
I've never seen that before.
Hell yeah.
So it's ready.
Hell yeah. It's
ready.
We could drive this out perfect, just in time for GDC.
I think it'll get that reaction, especially when you pull up and drop it.
So we're gonna take the car and we're gonna go to all the places that we'd normally be, you know, all the conferences, the game conferences, Web3 conferences. We're gonna drive the car and then I'm just gonna work that hydraulic button up and down non-stop until people kick me out. Then we might, in between these conferences, I think we'll rotate it among our Fractal team members. Maybe whoever's newest on the team gets a month of driving it around.
We did the Fractal logo
on the Fractal floor mats.
On the floor mats, on the headrest, we did the F. Kind of gave it, awesome. A little bit of West Coast love.
Looks great.
With the Fractal branding.
Amazing, thank you. Thanks so much to West Coast Customs. They did an amazing job. It's so clean, and I can't wait to drive it out of here.